How to auto-renew Costco membership. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your Costco account. You'll land to this kind of interface. Now scroll down. Over here you will find this option of Renew Membership. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to this page, Renew Membership. Now over here you'll need to type in your membership number. Add your membership number to your account to check your renewal status and set up auto-renew payment. If you have no idea where can you find your membership number, all you have to do is click on this option of where can I find my membership number. At the back of your card, you will be able to find your membership number. Once you type in your membership number, click on this option Add Membership Number. You will be directed to the next page. You have to follow the on-screen instructions. You will need to provide the details. Type in the last name and postal code associated with your membership, and then add your MasterCard, credit or debit card details. Once you do that, your membership will be updated. So this way you can easily auto-renew Costco membership. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.